In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Emirates business class cheaply. We all know that flying business class brings a level of comfort and luxury that transforms long flights into a truly enjoyable experience. Yet, the hefty price tag can often be a deterrent. So today, I'll guide you through some strategies to experience that luxury without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about booking in advance and locking in deals. Timing is everything in the airline industry. The sooner you start looking into your travel plans, the greater the chance you'll come across a deal that fits within your budget. Airlines often release seats at promotional rates well ahead of departure, so booking several months in advance can yield significant savings. Keep an eye out for the sweet spot, typically around the 6 to 8 month mark before your planned travel date. Airlines frequently have sales, and signing up for newsletters can alert you to discounted business class fares. Next, utilizing points and miles is a fantastic way to reduce costs. Emirates and many other airlines have loyalty programs that allow you to earn points or miles every time you travel, or even through everyday spending with affiliated credit cards. Accumulating these points can greatly reduce the cash cost of upgrading to business class. Different programs have varying redemption values, so it's always important to check how far your miles can take you and if there are any limitations or blackout dates. Another option is to upgrade at the airport. Sometimes last-minute upgrades are available at a discounted rate if the business class seats haven't all been sold. While not guaranteed, checking with the airline counter staff or using airline apps upon check-in can sometimes provide you with a great opportunity to snatch a business class seat for much less than the original price. These opportunities can often arise if you are flexible and willing to stay on the lookout right until you board. Now, for strategic booking, consider taking connecting flights rather than a direct route. Often, this can result in lower prices for business class tickets. Additionally, flying midweek rather than on peak weekend days or avoiding peak travel seasons can help reduce costs. It's always wise to compare different routes and travel dates to find the most cost-effective option. Finally, let's not forget some general tips. Adopting a holistic approach is key. Consider signing up for fare alerts, following airlines on social media for flash sales, and using multiple sources to compare prices. Being open-minded about flight timings and flexible dates can also open doors to more affordable business class options. With persistence and savvy strategies, the dream of flying Emirates business class can become an attainable reality. Enjoy your luxurious journey at a fraction of the cost, and safe travels.